Hi, I'm Bill Fretz. I'm here with Lindsay Minahan from Metalworks. We're at the JCK show in Vegas, and we're going to go over forming bracelets with our bracelet set. The bracelet set does concave and convex shapes. So from large shapes to small, you can do concave, different textures, different forming, to large bracelets. So I'm going to give you a quick demo on how to do a convex and concave shape. And Lindsay's going to be my helper.
I'm very excited.
Okay. So basically you take a stake and you pick the stake, and that's your design decision. All right, we're going to use a nylon hammer with a doming stake, and we're going to take a blank and we're going to roll the edge. All right. After forming the shape with nylon, which doesn't stretch the metal, you can switch hammers and go to a planishing hammer and texture the piece and get the final refinement. And if you continue, you'll end up with a texture that looks like that. We're switching over to a concave shape now. We're going to use a nylon crosspeen end in a concave shape. And by sinking the metal into the shape, you can form a concave bracelet. And that's the general concave shape. By switching hammers, you get different textures, and by switching stakes, you can get different dimensions. All right, here at the show, we have a special on our bracelet set at the Auto Fry booth, and I'm now going to finish planishing the piece with a rounded crosspeen. The set 103 includes 12 stakes. They're concave, convex, and different size flat stakes. It also includes the holder and a wooden rack. And I think it's a good set for both hollowware and also bracelets.
Tools in this video are Fretz 103 bracelet forming set, Fretz HMR1 planishing hammer, Fretz HMR9 steel raising hammer, Fretz HMR7 nylon hammer with replaceable heads.